Hey everyone, in today's episode I'll be informing you about what's the best streaming software for Twitch. So then to begin with, make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. Now, if you're a content creator, you need a software that enables you to produce high quality video content that performs well on streaming platform and conforms to its guidelines. Here's some of the software that is actually best in order to stream for Twitch. So what you can do is, first thing, you can use a Pro Presenter. Now Pro Presenter serve as a central nervous system of your stream, which means all your live videos and inputs, stream designs element, transaction effect and audio and video content is one of the powerful tool for streaming on Twitch. Similarly, you have the other one that is, so Streamlab is completely free and open source, which means anyone can take the code and do what they want to do it. Apart from it, you also have the OBS Studio is another extremely popular choice among Twitch streamer for main reason it's least capable tool on this list, but for a free product it's exceptional. So this were some of the software that is best for streaming on Twitch. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.